Hello, trading is closed on March the 2nd, 2020. Let's go over our calls. Look for the day with the early lows. Said it was a rally day, tended to have a high in the final hour. We said as long as you went over Friday's close by 1 cent, we should have a strong rally. This was the call. I guess I said huge rally. And then tomorrow has the early low. Even with this big rally, MEJT gave the sell signal, which actually worked. It just means there's a lower target. Doesn't mean you should sell and forget about it. And we did hit lower targets. It said that rally wouldn't stick and this drop wouldn't stick. So it did its job. So what happens now? These are wild moves here. We do have a confirmed sell. We traded under this by 1 cent, didn't we? Close 54.22. Low, yeah. So we have a confirmed sell signal. Combo sell. Gains should be limited from here on out. 61.8% retracement is probably the most I'd expect. I don't know if it's a hard and fast rule. I get leery if we got more than that. Now, for those people who like candlesticks, this is called a morning star. It's supposed to be a reversal pattern, lead to higher prices. But let's not forget spike bottoms like this get retested at some point. The rule is the bigger the base, the bigger the move. And there's not much of a base here. Eventually, we're going to see those prices again. Well, we had the biggest E-mini contract volume in history, and so I predicted we'd have the biggest point move in history. A lot of times you stick your neck out like that and you get it chopped off, but this time it worked. Here's so I'm counting this. Here's the end of the bull, starting to move down. Most I could see on the upsides, 61.8% retracement, 31.8813. Don't come after me with a stick if I'm wrong on that. I think it's the end of the first wave down. Don't know if it's a this degree or a lesser degree, but that should be the end of that wave, and we should have a rally before we drop again. And we have much lower targets. This was a huge rally. You're going to have a correction of commensurate size. The good thing about the 31.88 target is here's your inverted diamond on stilts. Take the height of this stilt, 50%, you get the same price. You measure from here to here, 23.6, you get the same price. So we have patterns targeting the 31.88 level. I think there's a good chance we see it. But as far as tomorrow is concerned, that's kind of a toughie. Tomorrow's pattern has early low, doesn't mean you won't gap up. You have a wall into the close, frequently is followed by gapping down. Then you get a rally which overtakes the high and find resistance. But these are wild swings. It's typical of major market tops. Don't expect the same level of accuracy on the day-to-day swings. It's just, you get 100-point moves in an hour or so. You just can't, you just are not going to be able to call them all. So tomorrow has the early low, good chance of gapping down, and at some point, not necessarily the same day, overtaking this high and then correcting. I'm looking for 31.88 on the upside at most. I think it'll print, but if it doesn't print, don't cross your fingers and hope. These swings are kind of tough to call. that's today's call.